Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious stir-fry potatoes and carrot with LaoGanMa sauce recipe. I hope you will like it. Potatoes are an alkaline vegetable, which is beneficial to the acid-base balance in the body and neutralizes the acidic substances produced after metabolism in the body, thus having certain beautifying and anti-aging effects. People who eat potatoes regularly are healthy and age slowly. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are potatoes, onion, carrot, and LaoGanMa stock. Peel and slice potatoes and soak them in cold water for about half an hour to dissolve the remaining potato toxins in the water, but do not soak them for too long to prevent the loss of water-soluble vitamins and other nutrients. Peel and diced carrot. Peel and diced onion. Pack dry potato slices. Mix with cooking oil. Air fryer at 180 degree for 10 minutes, then 200 degree for 5 minutes. Look at that! You may optional to pan fried potato slices until golden brown too. Stir fry onion until translucent. Carrot cubes. Add potato slices. One tablespoon LaoGanMa spice sauce. Stir-fry potatoes and carrot with LaoGanMa sauce is done. This home-cooked dish is very simple to make. There is no need to add salt because the LaoGanMa hot sauce is already seasoned. This dish is also suitable for most people's tastes because the spiciness level is only 1 star. Friends who like spicy food can add spicy powder and dried chili to stir-fry together. I believe many friends are familiar with the benefits of onions to people's bodies. Nowadays, it is difficult to guard against various bacteria in the air. Experts say that eating onions regularly in our daily lives can cleanse the gastrointestinal tract. Onions contain the trace element selenium, and their nutritional value determines their anti-aging effects. Selenium is a strong antioxidant, so eating some onions regularly can have a beautifying effect. The chili pepper in LaoGanMa contains a spicy substance that can speed up metabolism, promote cell regeneration, and has healthcare effects on the human body. People suffering from fire heat diseases or yin deficiency and fire excess, hypertension, tuberculosis, eye diseases, esophagitis, gastroenteritis, gastric ulcers, and hemorrhoids should be careful when eating LaoGanMa. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.